is possibly a funnel cloud, a twister, a sidewinder. Maybe, I don't know. It's a cloud that looks like it has a twisting funnel cloud to it. If you can see it way down there. Can you see it? See the lightning striking by it? Then there's lightning up there, and then look at this up here. These clouds. It could be the beginning of a supercell, I don't know. But it's awesome no matter what it is. This is an awesome storm. And I'm recording it. That looks like a funnel cloud hitting the ground. It's too high to be a funnel cloud, but it looks like one. If you can see it going straight down, and then there's the clouds over there. It's an awesome sight. You see the clouds moving up here. Just the right type of weather for a tornado, but I don't know. It's awesome no matter what it is.